Rolling in my 5.0. Scan it, Jude. So we're just about ready to start burning some material here. Kayla's got the bottle mounted. Got your bottle mounted. Picked up some TIG rods. And then hopefully today, if we're slow, we will start having some fun.
Some acetone, some cotton swabs.
It's not called work, it's called fun.
New set of welding gloves.
Wow, you guys are getting serious. Actually, you should make a TIG table on this.
Yeah.
A nice TIG table. Like, get a piece of stainless steel. Ask your mom if she has any stainless steel tabletops that you can grip from her and just make, you know what I mean? Just do what I did with those rods on the other one and just make it so we have a nice, then you just have to take your ground strap, bam.
Yes.
Let me slide through real quick here.
And that would be a decent TIG table too, because you can make it.
Yep. Well, and I want to clean all this out because there's a lot of dust in all this.
Yeah.
Nice and squeaky clean.
Sweet.
Now we got everything we need to actually weld. We need
TIG welding at Mining East Sentiments, and you think we should do it for free?
Absolutely not. We still need to mount the fire extinguisher.
Yeah.
That's the last thing we need to do.
Sure.
We need to do that, the hose, and then technically we're good to
Yeah,
start
because
welding.
and pedal, and then maybe just a dedicated stool for this. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
We're ready to rock and roll.
Run to Harbor Freight and get one of those speaker stools for all the storage.
Yeah. Stay posted.